Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Cardano. In my previous video, I told you that the price action of Cardano has completed the formation of the bull flag, and at any time it can break out this bull flag and start the next bullish rally to the upside. At this time, the price line is amazingly breaking out this resistance of the bull flag. Before that, I've already shown you my previous idea that the Cardano completed this very big bullish butterfly move on the monthly chart back in March when the market was moving down and entered in this potential reversal zone. At that time, the price line was at approximately 3 cents, 2.9 cents. And after playing this chart, we can see that it has rallied so far up to 97.7 cents. That is more than 3,200% after my call. And the price line exactly moved as I predicted. Like I told you that the price line can move here, and after that, after crossing this level, it can retest this 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg, and then it can start the bullish rally to the upside. And you can see when the price line turned bullish, it retested this level and moved to the upside and rallied more than 3,200%. So congratulations to the people who followed my idea, and they're still in a very big profit. Now, if we move to the live weekly chart, here we can see that the price line has found a very strong resistance at $1, and previously we have seen that when the price line was moved at this resistance level, we had some sell volume, then a buying volume came, and we can see that the price line rallied to the next resistance of 38.5 cents. Then we had some sell volume, and again the buyers starting buying, and we can see that after this buying volume was appeared, the price line moved up to the next resistance at $1. But now at this time, while the price line is moving at the resistance level, under the resistance level, we still have the buying volume, even though the buying volume is getting decreased, but so far the sell is not appeared on the weekly chart. So we can expect if this buying volume will be continued, then from here the price line can break out this next very strong key level resistance of $1. And now if we switch to the daily time frame chart here, yesterday I told you that the price line has formed this bull flag, and at any time it can break out this resistance of the bull flag. And now you can see that finally the price line has broken out this resistance of the bull flag. And if we dig this bull flag more deeper and switch to the more small time period chart, then we can see that this was in fact a down channel on the 4-hour chart. And we also had this 50 simple moving average support. And in my previous video, I told you that we have a strong support of 50 simple moving average while the price line is at the resistance. However, previously we had the neutral signals by the oscillator indicator, this stochastic oscillator and the MACD indicator, because previously the MACD was turning bullish and this stochastic was in bear cross. It gave us the bear signals, but now you can see that the stochastic has given us the strong buying signals. We can see that it has given us the bull cross, and the MACD is still strong bullish. Now, very important point, guys, that the price line is moving down. If the price line will retest this resistance of the channel as the support, that will be the best buying time. And it is also possible that the price line will not retest this support, this previous resistance as a support, because we also have this 50 simple moving average, 50 simple moving average moving up, and the price line may retest this 50 simple moving average, and without retesting this previous resistance as a support, it will start moving up. And in case if it will be moved up from here that I'm expecting, then as per the targets of the bull flag, if we move back to this daily time frame chart, and I'm just taking this bull flag, the leg of this bull flag, the pole of this bull flag from here, conservatively from here up to this top, and if we place this trend line here, then our next target can be approximately here, that is $1.4, and that will be a very imminent move. And after this powerful move, we can also expect that the price line will break out this weekly resistance with the Bitcoin pair. We can see that the price line has found a very strong resistance at 1944 satoshis after breaking out this Ichimoku cloud that I've already shown you this move in my previous video as well. And you can see that this is a really strong resistance level. Like, it has been breaking as a support here. Then it has been breaking as a resistance here back in 2019. And after the 2019, this is the second attempt by the price line to break out this resistance level, and so far it is moving under this level. So we can expect that soon, once the price line will start this move to reach up to this level, it can also break out this resistance against the Bitcoin, and it will turn against the Bitcoin more bullish. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.